Hi guys, I hope you're well. Let's make some carrot chapatis real quick. This is one of those recipes that you can run to anytime that you're in a hurry. So into a bowl I added sugar, some salt, and then I went ahead and added the grated carrots. I'm going to give this a good mix just to ensure that the carrots have absorbed the sugar and the salt, and after that I'm going to start adding the all-purpose flour. Now add the flour depending on the amount of chapati that you're going to make and the amount of people that you're cooking for. So then use a spoon to just mix this up like you see here before starting to add any liquid. And for the water, I like to use very hot water whenever I'm making my chapatis. You can use lukewarm water if you do not prefer hot water. You can also use warm milk if you prefer that. So the idea is to knead the dough until it is well combined. So just transfer that to a working surface. Pour a small amount of cooking oil just to make the cooking process easier, and then you're going to just cover that when the dough is ready, and then let it rest for like 30 minutes. 30 minutes later the dough is ready, and on this day I was not in the mood to make layers, so I just added a small amount of cooking oil on the dough like you see here, and then continued to knead for like a minute, and then started to cut the dough balls. So cut the sizes of chapatis that you'd like to make. For this dough I just got 6 chapatis. I wasn't cooking for many people, I was just cooking for me and my daughter. So just cut those up, and then you're going to set them aside before moving ahead to start rolling them. Okay guys, before cutting the balls I just remembered something. After removing the dough from the bowl, I continued to knead for another 10 minutes. The more you knead the dough, the better it becomes. So I was kneading mine just to ensure that it was okay. And the reason as to why I was even avoiding making the layers for these chapatis is because they had carrots, and sometimes they misbehave and they become very shapeless when you start to shape them. You're going to see that later. So I was skeptical about making the layers, but for my upcoming recipe, carrot recipe, you're going to see that it will be very different and you're going to make layers. For this one I did not put any layers. So now go ahead and roll out these balls like you see here using small amounts of flour. So once the balls are ready, just set them aside like you see and start frying them right away. Guys, see what I was talking about? Just look at that shape. It's because the carrots are big, so they tend to misbehave and push like the dough to, I don't know, I can't explain why. My carrot chapatis, most of them, I don't get a perfect circular shape. So just go ahead, keep turning, use cooking fat for this step, and you're going to have your chapatis. Thank you for watching.